The interval of validity is a little bit different from the existence and uniqueness theorem. So the existence and uniqueness theorem just tells you that a solution going with an initial condition will have at least one solution or exactly one solution, and all you know is that it really exists, at least for a little while, around the initial condition. The interval of validity actually tells you how far away, how the bounds that the solution will actually exist. So right, that's a lot more information. So existence and uniqueness tells something will exist somewhere, around the initial condition. Interval of validity will tell you exactly how far away, what are the bounds, what's the domain and range of the solution that you come up with. So it's a lot harder to figure out, and in general, the only way to figure it out is to solve the differential equation. It is a tiny bit easier for the linear equations, so things like y prime plus p of x times y equals g of x. You have initial condition, y of x naught equals y naught. So in that case, the interval validity, it's bounded by the discontinuities of p of x and g of x, these functions right here, p of x and g of x. If there are no discontinuities, then it can also range from negative infinity and up to positive infinity for x. The other nice thing about the linear equations is that the interval of validity, where it is, only depends on the value of x naught. It does not matter what y naught is. And so as an example, let's say g of x, and let me write a better g there, discontinuous at x is equal to negative 3 and 4, and p of x discontinuous at x is equal to 7. All right. And so on your number line then, you've got positive x, and let's go ahead and put y on here. It's about the same, so here let's just put y there. So then you'll have something at x is equal to negative 3. You'll have something at 4. All right, that would be about there maybe. And then 7, something like that. And so those are going to bound the discontinuities. So if x naught is in here, then the interval of validity is going to be from 7 up to positive infinity. If x naught is between 4 and 7, then the interval of validity is 4 to 7, and the parentheses are not including 4 and 7. If x naught is in here, then the interval of validity is negative 3 to 7. And then if x is in here, then the interval of validity is negative infinity to negative 3. All right, so let's take a look at this in some examples, and we'll see how it works out and why the solutions actually behave that way.